because we provide used car inspections around the UK, helping people to solve the long-term problem since the Henry Ford introduced mass production of used vehicles since 1908. So it's been a century when people struggle to find a vehicle, and we're here, a solution, online-based platform, Uber in used car inspections. So I'm pretty sure you know somebody who bought a bad vehicle or engine packed up, and you know how it feels and how it hurts. It's cheaper to use our service than wasting time on solicitors, trading standards, and taking seller to the small claims court or to losing money. What would you pay for this service to avoid a bad vehicle? So you can get all the information, potential repair costs, estimates, and condition, explained condition about this vehicle after the road test. And my mission is to change the way people buy used cars around the UK and around the world. We have also packages and services for business to business customers